Hi, Aniket.
Hey, hi, Shubhankar. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Just one second. Let me figure out
Yeah,
my
take your
video.
time.
Okay. Am I audible?
Question. Yeah, you are.
Okay.
So yeah, tell me how have you been? How is this lockdown
Give me 1 minute.
treating you?
I just finished the meeting. I had taken a break in between.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
First
How
of
is
all, thanks. I could
yeah,
speak to you.
yeah, no
I could
problem. My
speak to you
pleasure.
in your busy schedule.
Yeah, not a problem. It's my pleasure. So how is
Yeah.
lockdown treating you?
Uh, so far the things have, I mean, pretty normal for me because I work for a media company. So what
Okay,
happens is almost once in a week, twice in a week, thrice in a week, I have to go to office.
okay,
So that becomes so it's not treating me very different. But only thing is the train travel has stopped. But
okay,
by road I'm traveling.
okay,
तो ऑफिस तो चल ही रहा है बट वर्क फ्रॉम होम भी है और ऑफिस भी है so both are situations.
okay, okay, okay. So yeah, tell me what are the problems that you are facing? Like you said that you have been struggling to lose weight. So what are the problems
Hmm.
that you are facing right now?
Uh, to be very honest, see, I started my weight loss or in fact fat loss journey in 2018.
Okay.
Jan 2018. It was not really um, a New Year resolution of sorts, but I started in Jan. It was just sudden,
Yeah.
spur of the moment, and I thought, "Okay, this is the time I should start.
Yeah.
Jan 2018, and I did pretty well. To
Okay.
be very honest, I was taking coaching from a different coach in
Yeah.
between this, and a point came wherein I lost some really good weight.
So where
I
did you
lost a
start
good.
from and till where did you reach?
I'll tell you. I'll just have to check.
Yeah.
But the difference between my start and the best that I had was 12.5 kgs. So
Oh,
I lost pretty much weight in very less time,
okay.
and also with proper diets and also with proper workouts. So it's not like
Mhm.
harsh dieting, but I
Okay.
did that, and suddenly I feel that I was so happy with the results
Mm-hmm.
that I stopped working. That
Okay.
that is something I think went wrong badly with me, which
That
shouldn't
means
have been the case.
stopped working.
Stopped working on it.
Oh,
I
okay.
mean, stopped working out. I
Okay.
initially it was the work. The work makes me stay back in the office for a longer
Mm-hmm.
time. Uh, but initially that was genuine reason. But I realized over a period of time that I am using that reason as a excuse to get away from it. So I realized that I'm making a mistake, and I realized that I'm using this reason as an excuse to not go to attend gym or not follow the diet plan.
Mm-hmm.
That is where I went wrong.
Mm-hmm.
uh, I myself was looking pretty nice in the mirror when I started, and when I reached that point when I had lost 12.5 kgs. The result was so good, I was so happy that I
Mm-hmm.
thought you know इसके बाद शायद काम करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. That is maybe
Okay. Yeah.
that indirectly happened with me.
Mm-hmm.
And over a period of time, not going to gym maybe for a day, it turned out to be not going to gym for a week. Then it
Mm-hmm.
went happened to 2 weeks. Then it happened a month, and
Mm-hmm.
then over a period of time, I cut down entire.
Yeah.
A huge break came in between. So just before the lockdown, I had again resumed the gym. I had
Mm-hmm.
again started walks. I used to walk almost. I cannot run very fast because of the weight, of course. But I used to walk for 2 hours a day,
Mm-hmm.
and I also used to work out for 1.5 hours. So and then suddenly this lockdown happened.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay.
that has been the journey till now.
Okay. So earlier, when you were when you lost weight, at that time, how did your day look like? Like, how much time would you like? At what? Walk me through your entire day, right from the time you wake up till the time you go to bed.
Okay, so so my major so okay, so let me start like this. So I start my day. I leave my house at around 8:30 in the morning,
Mm-hmm.
8:30 9 in the morning. It takes me around 1 hour 50 minutes from my home to office door. So door to door, it's a journey of 1 hour 50 minutes one way.
Okay.
Then in the office, so before leaving, I used to, when I was following diets, I used to have proper bread. I used to have milk. I used to have eggs in the morning, and as per the diet plan, I used to have that, and I used to leave.
Mm-hmm.
At office, I used to have certain meals that were a part of my uh, meal plans.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, Again at 4:30, I used to be hungry, so I used to have some of the other stuff, or I used to just ignore and not have anything. 6 o'clock in the evening was one thing where I used to feel very hungry, but because there was nothing available around, I used to pick up a packet of wafers, chips,
Uh-huh.
or a biscuits or something. Again, by the time I used to come home, it used to be 9:30, quarter to 10, and after that, I used to have food, go to gym. By the time I used to come home, it used to be 12, 12ish, 12, 15 types,
Okay.
and I used to go to sleep. So that
Okay.
is how the day used to look.
Okay. So you used to work out for 2.5 hours, is it?
Yeah, honestly, my gym is not a, there are more people, so availability of the equipments at times becomes an issue. So it's not that the workout was long. The
Mhm.
waiting period in between two sets
Okay.
was pretty high. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Hmm.
And what is happening now? What are you struggling with right now?
See now, I've obviously gained the weight back.
Mm-hmm.
All my happiness that had started has now reversed back.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, uh, I'm again heavy. I myself am feeling very heavy because I had reached the point wherein I was light. तो
Mm-hmm.
अभी ऐसा लग रहा है कि dude, I have put on a lot of weight.
Mm-hmm.
So that is one thing. Uh, but what on my end, I for last 3 weeks I'm working out at home.
Mm-hmm.
So whatever home, I have a 5 kg dumbbell. With
Mm-hmm.
that, whatever I could do at home, body weight exercises plus some uh, exercises with the weights is something that I'm doing right now.
Okay. Okay. And how is it with your diet? How are you doing with that?
Diet is primarily everything that's being cooked at home, nothing from
Mm-hmm.
outside. I come from a typical Maharashtrian background and a typical Maharashtrian family, so the day starts with some of the other roti sabzi, then dal rice. In the evening, some snack, and in the night again dal rice or something like that.
Okay.
On a, maybe like a special instance, mom would cook something sweet,
Mhm.
but that's it. Nothing major apart from that.
Okay. Okay. And how is your sleep? At what time do you sleep? At what time do you wake up?
Uh, as of now, the sleep is a little better. I'm getting 8 hours of sleep is what I can say.
Okay.
Maybe I'm sleeping at 12 and getting up at 8, or maybe 11 and 7. More or less, I'm finishing 8 hours. But what happens is during my working days when the office starts,
Mm-hmm.
and when I have to travel, that is when is a bigger issue.
Okay.
I had what on an average I used to sleep 6.5 hours, at the max 7 hours. I mean, not even 7 hours, 6.5 hours. Uh, that was the sleeping period that I had.
Okay. 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 Fine. So, what is stopping you from losing weight now? Like, you know,
Uh,
right? See, for a lot of people, like for everyone, basically, forget about where you are right now in your life. Go back to your 10th grade. When you were in your 10th grade or when you were in your 12th grade, at that time, if someone would have asked you, or if you would have felt like losing weight, what would you have done at that time? You would have uh, controlled what you are eating, and second
hmm,
thing that you would have done is you would have made sure that you do some kind of exercise. It can be
hmm,
push-ups at home or go for a run or whatever it is. But inherently all of us know for a fact that whenever we want to lose weight, we need to do two things at least. One is do some kind of exercise, and second thing is control our eating. So we
hmm,
don't need that perfect diet or anything. Like, even if we
hmm,
don't have that perfect diet plan and perfect workout program and all the environment and the clothes and the shoes and all of that is not
hmm,
perfect, we still know what are the basic things that we need to do. It's just that as we grow up, as we become adults, we have access to a lot of things, and slowly we get into that habit of, nahi, I don't have this thing, this like if I have to, like in school for a lot of things we hum log jugaad karte the. Like if I don't have if my parents aren't home and I have to eat some food and I don't want to clean my plates or clean my dishes, probably if there is some I would अगर वो टिफिन में रख के like टिफिन में मम्मी ने अगर खाना रख के गई है, I will probably have my food in that only. I won't put it in my on my plate. As we, so that would be, मतलब वैसे हम जुगाड़ कर लेते थे. As we grow up, we don't try to make these adjustments कि नहीं कल maid आ जाएगी. A lot of times in this lockdown, I have heard these excuses also. In when lockdown actually started, maid didn't come, so there were a lot of dishes. So that is why we ordered food from outside. मैं बोला ये कौन सा reason हो गया बाहर से खाना मंगाने का. So there was this thing that was there. Just a second. I don't know.
Yeah.
Hello. This is strange, man. Hello, कौन मैं अरविंद केजरीवाल बोल रहा हूँ. कैसे आप? This is strange.
It must be an IVR.
Yeah, I don't know what it is, but anyways, I'm not friends with Arvind Kejriwal anyways. So yeah, as we grow up, actually, we want a few things that are like, we want them to be done in a certain way. So we stop looking at these things, and we get into that habit so much, like weight lose karna hai, to fir gym.
Aniket, I've lost you in between.
Yeah. Hello? Yeah, am I audible?
Your connection is a little weak. I can hear you, but like some robotic voice.
Yeah, is it clear now? Hello? Is it better
I'm
now?
here. Yeah, it's better.
Okay. So yeah, that is like as we grow up, it becomes like we want everything to be in that perfect way, and if that is not there, we don't even get started. So that part is always there. But yeah, right now, what are the challenges that you are facing right now?
Honestly, challenges right now is to be very honest and to be very true to myself. When the gyms were open, I was lazy to not go and work out. आज नहीं कल नहीं परसों. That is when basically I lacked discipline is what is badly. Now when the gyms are closed, I'm realizing, oh shit, I have to go and I have to figure out a way. It's like an eye opener. Now when I'm at home for 2 months or 3 months, it's since 26th, 27th March the gyms are closed. Now I'm realizing कि was ज़्यादा and I gyms were open. So that's one feeling that I'm having. Right now, even with food, yes, I'm having home cooked food and nothing from outside for sure. But if I have a plan, when I had a plan again, I did not give a damn about it. Very honestly, that discipline I lack. But now I really want to plan in place so that I can adhere to it, and whatever home workouts that I'm doing, I could I mean the workouts and the meal plans both could go hand.
Okay. See, from whatever I see, I don't think there will be any issues. You can actually get started with this from tomorrow itself. It is, you want to lose weight. There is situations are not that difficult for you to get started with. some basic exercise and do and
mm,
follow a proper
mm,
diet or anything. So things are not
mm,
that is not an issue. But the problem is, see, the why are you trying to lose weight, or till what extent do you want to make progress? So for a
mm,
lot of people, they end up continuing with their gym, or they end up continuing with their eating habits, largely because for lot of people, it is always like their goal, as they make progress, their goals start becoming bigger and bigger. So
mm,
it is like a long tunnel.
mm,
As you enter a tunnel, at the start, before a tunnel, your entire goal is to enter that tunnel. You don't know how the road is going to be inside once you enter it. But
mm,
as you start crossing the tunnel, and the longer it is, your goal just ends up going further and further away. And as the like you know it as you keep crossing that road, your goals keep changing, right,
mm,
inside, once you enter the tunnel. So it's the
mm,
same thing for a lot of people. A lot of people just start for probably just fat loss, thoda पेट कम करते हैं ये वो, but slowly they start seeing कि they start seeing changes in them, and then they start enjoying their progress. And
mm,
over a period of time, फिर उनके वो goals बड़े हो जाते हैं कि
mm,
some or the other example of someone कि इसने मसल्स भी पुट ऑन किए, इसने ये भी किया, वो भी किया, चलो मैं भी वो करता हूँ। या फिर बहुत सारे लोगों का
mm,
ये रहता है कि वो आयरन मैन में compete किया, चलो मैं भी उसका कुछ ट्राई करता हूँ। या फिर ये बंदा
mm,
जाके कुछ
mm,
मैराथन में compete किया, चलो उसके लिए ट्रेन
mm,
किया। तो गोल्स कीप
mm,
इम्प्रूविंग। मैराथन में फिर से
mm,
10 किलोमीटर compete किया, तो ये सोचता है कि यार अगले बार हम 21 किलोमीटर के लिए करते हैं। सो दिस
mm,
इज हाउ पीपल गेट हुक्ड ऑन टू दिस।
mm.
ओके।
Honestly, I did. I did. You know what? So when this just before the lockdown, I had I manage events for the company that I work for. So I
Okay.
had a major event in the month of Feb,
Mm-hmm.
for which I was preparing since October 2019.
Mm-hmm.
Over a period of time, I was gaining weight. I was realizing I did not have time to go home. So the work schedule was so bad that I used to stay in my company guest house just besides my office just to avoid 4 hours of travel.
हाँ
So
हाँ
there
हाँ।
was so much of work. So at that point, I realized, you know what, this is going out of hand. Now I really need to work out. Now I really need to things in my hand. Uh, so after this period, when the event was over, when I came back to Mumbai, and
Mm-hmm.
I was walking, I was running, I was all doing all these things along with the gym and the workout.
Mm-hmm.
I came across, like you said, the hopes and the goals improve. I came across a online event called as 100 Days of Running.
Mm-hmm.
You must be aware, HBOR.
Yeah, yeah.
So I started preparing for that, and I used to record my performance on Strava on the
Mm-hmm.
app.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
with 100 Days of Running, I wanted to, and that was supposed to start in mid May or so,
Mm-hmm.
and it was basic competition wherein you have to compete for 100 days of running wherever you are on this earth. So yeah, that did happen with me. I did get hooked up, but again, fortunately, unfortunately, the lockdown has just screwed my plan.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah.
That is fine. See, the only thing that I'd say is that end goal. Like, if that was the issue in your case, like earlier, you were happy, you had an end goal, you achieved that, and then you were satisfied.
Mm,
I'd say do it for something more than that. There are like
yeah.
multiple people do it for multiple reasons. Like one of the clients
Mm,
that I had, like he started, he's some CEO or something, and he loved to bike, like he used to go on biking trips and stuff. वो इसीलिए start किया ताकि he said पेट थोड़ा कम हो जाए बस हो गया, and he said 3 महीने से ज्यादा नहीं करूंगा, 4 किलो 5 किलो कम हुआ तो भी बस हो जाएगा 3 महीने में. I was like, fine. And he reached that goal. He lost over around 7-8 kilos or something in 3 months. Uh, and then he said, "नहीं Aniket, continue karte. Let's do this for an entire year now." And
mm,
it was
mm,
very strange. Like this guy was never motivated to do that. He was happy with his own workouts and stuff. He was never, and he could maintain that also, whatever fats he
mm,
lost. But then as we continued with it, I built a better relationship. I asked him, लेकिन आप मुझे एक बात बताओ, आपने कंटिन्यू किस चीज के लिए किया कि मतलब
mm,
you were very satisfied with 3 months, and that was anyways more than your goal. Did your goals
mm,
evolve? he said goals evolved. और मैं उनको पूछा गोल क्या है, क्योंकि उनको ना ही मैराथन या ऐसे एंड्योरेंस से रिलेटेड कुछ गोल था, ना जिम में हेवियर उठाने का गोल था. और एंड ही गेव he didn't care about what muscle mass he had. उनको फर्क ही नहीं पड़ रहा था. So गोल क्या था आपका? So that we can continue. मैं इसीलिए पूछ रहा था ताकि वर्कआउट उस तरह से हम चेंज कर पाए. He said कि first 3 months that I did every day, like what I used to do was मैं जल्दी उठता था क्योंकि बेटे को स्कूल छोड़ने जाना पड़ता था. तो 7 बजे उसको स्कूल के लिए छोड़ने जाना पड़ता था. मैं उठता था 5:30 बजे. 5:30 बजे से 6:45 बजे तक मैं ये करता था, वर्कआउट करता था. 5:30 to 6:45 every day. Every day his son also used to watch him do this. So slowly his son started admiring him a lot. वो भी नीचे सोसाइटी में खेलने जाना स्टार्ट किया. स्कूल में बास्केटबॉल टीम के लिए कुछ नाम वगैरह दे के आया. एंड ही यूज्ड टू लाइक नाउ हिज स्कूल टाइमिंग्स गॉट एक्सटेंडेड क्योंकि स्कूल के बाद कुछ 1 घंटा उनका बास्केटबॉल प्रैक्टिस कराते थे. सो ही स्टार्टेड डूइंग दैट. नाउ ही सेड कि माय वाइफ, लाइक दैट पर्सन सेड दैट माय वाइफ टोल्ड मी, like she pointed it out that you have always been a hero for him. You enjoy biking trips and he whenever वो magazines आते हैं motorcycles के ऊपर, he checks out those pictures. He cannot read that entire magazine, but he knows which bike is called what. All his toys are related to motorcycles. Whenever his father like gets some kind of a haircut, he also wants the same thing. So he actually idolizes you. So वो जैसे रोज देखने लगा कि मैं वर्कआउट कर रहा हूँ, मैं कुछ ना कुछ एक्सरसाइज कर रहा हूँ, उसको भी वो इंटरेस्ट आने लगा कि मैं कैसे कुछ एक्सरसाइज ना करूँ. दिस इज समथिंग दैट इज वेरी कूल एंड दैट इज व्हाई ही स्टार्टेड विद इट. अब मेरा गोल ये है कि अगर मैं ये कंटिन्यू करते रहूं और मुझे देख के वो इंस्पायर हो जाए, और वो आई डोंट वांट टू कल मैं 3 महीने के बाद वो बंद करता हूँ ना, भी उसने भी वर्कआउट वगैरह मतलब एक्सरसाइज वगैरह करना, कुछ ना कुछ खेलना स्टार्ट किया है. कल मैं वर्कआउट करना छोड़ देता हूँ 3 महीने के बाद कि चलो यार मैं तो रीच कर गया, थोड़ा वॉक वगैरह कर लेते हैं, मेंटेन कर लेंगे, सब सोच के. I won't like as a hero whatever status I have earned over there, I would lose that. So इसीलिए I would want to go to the next level in all factors. Muscle भी चाहिए, strength भी चाहिए, and endurance भी चाहिए. And I was like, this is great. Like you went ahead and you are going for an entire year. He now has set up, like before the lockdown, I think 4-5 months before the lockdown itself, he had set up an entire gym in his house only. वो उतना इंटरेस्ट बढ़ गया उनका. So everyone does like for everyone the वो health को importance क्यों दे रहे हैं, that will be different for everyone. There is one client of mine who graduated in the US, and his parents couldn't come for his graduation. Like his parents took a loan. ये बंदे ने इंजीनियरिंग के बाद 2 साल का गैप लिया, पढ़ाई किया, जमा किया पैसे, पेरेंट्स थोड़ा लोन लेके दिए. So and he got graduated over there for after 2 years or something. So that they spent 4 years. His parents spent 4 years with a dream कि 4 साल के, और वीजा तभी लेके रखे कि 4 साल के बाद मैं यूएस जाऊंगा, इसका ग्रेजुएशन अटेंड करूंगा. बट हिज फादर्स वो हेल्थ बहुत खराब हो गया, ब्लड प्रेशर काफी ज्यादा हो गया. So वो like to a certain extent where he needed to take visit doctors every week. So उनको डॉक्टर ने सजेस्ट किया कि आप यहाँ पे मतलब ऐसे एयर ट्रैवल वगैरह मत करो. इट विल टेक 24 hours टू रीच द यूएस. उन 4 घंटों में आपको कुछ भी हार्ट अटैक वगैरह आया तो क्या कर सकते हैं. So because of that, something that they were looking forward to for 4 years, they couldn't attend, and that guy was also devastated कि मेरे parents ये नहीं attend कर पाए. Till that point he was obese, but उस point पे वो सोचा कि यार I need to do something. I don't want to be my father's age where everything he wanted is coming true, but I can't enjoy that part. So everyone will have different reasons why someone needs to get fit, or why someone needs to do something. Probably for you it can be that you are doing really well in your profession, but tomorrow for you to enjoy that you would need to do something like you need to be fit. probably so there are 10 different things that might come up, और वो एक रिग्रेट जो है कि यार अच्छा प्रोग्रेस किया था, अभी फिर से वो निकल गया, कम से कम वो रिग्रेट ना हो. दैट कैन बी वन ऑफ द थिंग्स because of which you can continue with it. But always like talk, like build your own friend circle who work out or who do some kind of exercise regularly, जिससे you also know कि मतलब वो एक environment रह जाता है अपने मन में कि हम सब लोग साथ में ये करते हैं. लाइक मैं अगर आज वर्कआउट करना बंद कर देता हूँ और या फिर मेरा एक हफ्ता छूट जाता है, मुझे शर्म आती है मेरे दोस्तों को बताना कि यार एक हफ्ता गया ही नहीं मैं. सो दैट काइंड ऑफ एनवायरनमेंट दैट आई हैव विद माय लाइक पेरेंट्स को भी नहीं बता पाऊंगा इस पॉइंट पे तो कि मैं पिछले एक हफ्ते से एक्सरसाइज नहीं कर रहा हूँ. वो लोग सैड हो जाएंगे कि ऐसा कैसे हो गया इसको, ये तो इतना करता है. So something like that, that environment needs to happen. Probably even at home you can build that kind of an environment. If you start talking to them about your fitness levels and this and that, they come on board. Like when you share your goals with them, when you share whatever you want to do with them, they will be on board. They will want they also would want to, like once they empathize, your family members are the first people who would empathize with whatever problems you have, whatever goals you have. Then for them to come on board becomes little easier. So you can try something like that. But right now it is for you, all you need is just get started. Or second thing is whenever, see earlier like you said 4 hours travel avoid karne ke liye I used to stay in the guest house. See you don't need 2 hours or even 1 hour for workout. Exercise का क्या है, आप ठीक है एक महीना 2 महीना हमारा आ जाता है जहाँ पे हम नहीं कर पाते उतना वर्कआउट क्योंकि काम का शेड्यूल इतना खराब हो गया है. बट इवन इन सच अ सिचुएशन, इसमें आई विल द व्हाट हैपेंस इज, चलो हमने आज 7 PM to 8 PM मैच एक्सरसाइज करूंगे ये सोचा है, लेकिन मेरा काम इस अगर ये करना है 6:40 6:45 तक मैंने रैप अप करना चाहिए, तो 7 बजे तक रैप अप नहीं होता, 7:10 हो जाता है, 7:15 होता है, 7:20 को काम खत्म हो जाता है. अब हम कॉन्टेम्पलेट करते हैं 1 घंटे का वर्कआउट मेरा 40 मिनट में खत्म हो जाएगा क्या, तो फिर कॉन्टेम्पलेशन में 5 मिनट जाता है, 10 मिनट जाता है, 7:30 बजते. अब हम सोचते हैं कि यार आधे घंटे में तो नहीं होगा, और अगर वर्कआउट नहीं करने वाला है तो इस टाइम में क्या करूं मैं. सो वी स्टार्ट डूइंग समथिंग एल्स दैट इज फन फॉर अस, or that gives us some pleasure. It can be anything. Scrolling through social media, Netflix देखा, कुछ भी किया, हम वो करना स्टार्ट कर दिया. दोस्त को कॉल किया, मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि वो 7:30 भी अगर बज गए ना, 7:30 को खत्म हो गया और आप सोच रहे हो कि 1 घंटे का नहीं हो रहा है, मैं बोल रहा हूँ और 10 मिनट ले लो, उसके बाद के सिर्फ 20 मिनट का आप एक्सरसाइज कर लो. अब 10 मिनट या 20 मिनट का मुझे बर्पीज करके दिखाओ कंटिन्यूस, उतना भी नहीं होगा. लाइक सो स्टार्ट डूइंग समथिंग लाइक दिस कि मुझे 10 मिनट ही करना है, बट द गोल इज कि वो जो मोमेंटम बिल्ड किया है मैंने पिछले 6 महीने से, पिछले 3 महीने से कि रेगुलरली मैं इस टाइम पे वर्कआउट कर रहा हूँ, तो वो मोमेंटम ब्रेक नहीं होना चाहिए. नहीं तो आपने जैसे बोला कि एक दिन का ब्रेक, एक हफ्ते का ब्रेक हो गया, एक हफ्ते का ब्रेक, एक महीने का ब्रेक हो गया, और इवेंचुअली रियलाइज हुआ कि मैं जा ही नहीं रहा हूँ. वो होना वो इसीलिए होता है बिकॉज वी एक्सपेक्ट परफेक्शन फ्रॉम आवरसेल्व्स कि डाइट नहीं है मेरे पास तो मैं फॉलो, मतलब ऐसे खाने के केस में ये नहीं हुआ, मुझे 1 घंटे का गैप नहीं मिला इसलिए एक्सरसाइज ही नहीं किया. देयर नीड्स टू बी अ मिडिल ग्राउंड कि वो नहीं हुआ ना, मिनिमल. आपको आपका गोल पूरे दिन में इतना ही है कि मिनिमल एफर्ट डालना है कि कम से कम, क्योंकि क्या होता है आप ये माइंडसेट नहीं रखा ना, ये माइंडसेट रख के चलो आप, like let's say you wanted to lose 10 kgs in this year, you end up losing just 1 kilo and you still need 9 kilos to you want to lose 9 more kilos on 31st December 2020. फिर मतलब एक ही किलो लूज हुआ है इतने पूरे टाइम में, ऐसे हुआ मान के चलो, by putting in this minimal effort. But if you don't put in that minimal effort and you continue with the like inside our mind, we don't have this conversation with anyone, but inside our mind we have this excuse to we give this excuse to others, ourselves कि नहीं कल करते हैं, परसों करते हैं, और पूरा साल जाता है कि कल से तो मैं स्टार्ट कर ही लूंगा, नेक्स्ट वीक से स्टार्ट कर लूंगा, और उतने टाइम में आपको जो चाहिए आप वो खा ले, तो आपका एक्सरसाइज वगैरह होता नहीं है. देन बाय द एंड ऑफ द ईयर यू रियलाइज कि यार वेट फिर से बहुत ज्यादा पुट ऑन हुआ है. सो जहां आपका मिनिमल एफर्ट डाल के सिर्फ 1 किलो कम हो सकता था 6 महीने में, 7 महीने में, जो भी, उसके जगह पे आपने 5 किलो 6 किलो पुट ऑन किया है। नाउ अगर आप 1 जनवरी 2021 को स्टार्ट भी करते हो, आपके पहले 3 महीने इसी चीज पे जाएंगे कि मैंने पिछले 7 महीने में जो गेन किया ना, बस वो लूज करने में मेरे पहले 3 महीने जाएंगे। उसके बाद
हाँ,
आप आज जहाँ पे हो वहां पे स्टार्ट करोगे।
हाँ,
So making it a lifestyle or putting in that minimal effort is all that you need. किसी का लाइफ
हाँ,
परफेक्ट नहीं है। बहुत बड़े बड़े एथलीट्स हैं, उनका भी फेज आ जाता है जहाँ पे उनका भी शेप खराब हो जाता है। बट द
हाँ,
पॉइंट इज कि उसके जब उनका टाइम खराब रहता है तभी भी एक मिनिमल एफर्ट रहता है, बिकॉज दे आर हुक्ड
हाँ,
ऑन टू इट, कि यार दे फील डिसअपॉइंटेड एंड दे डोंट गेट स्लीप आल्सो बिकॉज दे डिडंट
हाँ,
डू एनीथिंग। But
हाँ,
as soon as they get better, as soon as they get out of that phase, you will see a quick transformation and they will reach where they were and they will keep progressing again. So that is all that you need. Start from today itself. कि रात को समझो 8 और 9 के बीच में आप 10 मिनट का कुछ भी एक्सरसाइज कर सकते हो क्या, कि चलो सूर्य नमस्कार कर लिया, तो स्टार्ट विद दैट एंड देन स्टार्ट बिल्डिंग अपॉन इट। एक बार वो मोमेंटम बिल्ड हो गया आपका, देन देयर इज नो वन टू स्टॉप यू।
So I'm pretty much doing this for last 3 weeks. So
या
I'm so Monday, Wednesday, I mean Monday, Thursday, अब जो अपना chest, tricep, back bicep and leg shoulder वाला जो schedule है, I'm following that with whatever I could do, and plus I'm doing 25 into 3 squats every day, body weight
ओके
squats.
ओके
So that is what I'm currently doing for last 3 weeks, and uh, yeah, so yeah, that's the workout that I'm having.
okay okay. No, you will keep getting better. Shubhankar, I'll have to drop the call now. I have another call
Sure,
waiting for me.
sure,
But
sure.
last, like let's say there's another 1 minute. Is there any other question that you had and I haven't addressed that till now?
No, so far nothing. So I'm gonna continue my workout if 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 we start the, I mean, you start the coaching plan for me.
Uh-huh.
I would follow that. I mean, with all the determination right now, because I realize that this
Determination,
has been a mistake.
determination, motivation, ये सिर्फ 2 दिन का रहता है. Everyone will
True.
have their
Yeah.
low days, everyone will have their high days. वो मैकावेली मोटिवेशन, निक एंड्रो मोटिवेशन, ऐसे भी चैनल चलते हैं इसके ऊपर पूरा इन यूट्यूब पे, ठीक है, लाखों फॉलोअर सब्सक्राइबर्स है उसके। बट मैं फिर भी बोल रहा हूँ कि जो वो मिस्टर ओलंपिया जो जीतता है या फिर ओलंपिक्स का मेडल जो जीतता है, लाइक आई हैव वर्कड विद दीज इंडियन नेशनल टीम्स बॉक्सर्स, आई हैव सीन देम डाउन, लाइक लोएस्ट लेवल ऑफ मोटिवेशन जो रहता है ना, where they are extremely tired and they just don't want to wake up the next day. They don't want to wake up the next day. I have seen that. But the thing is, वो लोग फिर भी अगले सुबह उठेंगे ही. They will moan about it the entire day and then they'll still end up doing 3 hour के workout sessions for 3 times in a day. And फिर से रात को सोते वक्त वही moaning रहेगा कि यार कल उठना नहीं है. क्योंकि ये भी एक फेज है और उनको आदत हो गई है अभी. तो एक पॉइंट के बाद वो लोग उठते हैं, लाइक एक पॉइंट के बाद दे आर स्टिल अगेन पम्प्ड अप. वो उनको सिर्फ एक बाउट की जरूरत है अपने ये ट्रेनिंग पार्टनर्स के साथ या कोचेस के साथ, जहाँ पे दे वुड एक्सेल. फिर अगले दिन से दे विल स्टार्ट गेटिंग रियली मोटिवेटेड एंड दे विल स्टार्ट डूइंग इट. सो आपका और हम अगर उतने एलीट लेवल के एथलीट्स का ये हो रहा है, तो आप और हम क्या है, वी आर डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू गेट डीमोटिवेटेड. तो मोटिवेशन वगैरह सब फालतू रहता है. वो 3 दिन 4 दिन का ठीक है, वो अच्छा लगता है. चौथे दिन हम थोड़ा डाउन रहेंगे ही. कोई कॉल पे आके डांट दिया, ऑफिस में कोई काम नहीं किया, हमको सुनना पड़ा, कुछ भी हो सकता है. वी फील डाउन. बट आदत बना लो आप, और वो डिसिप्लिन जो है कि दिन भर का वो टाइम टेबल सेट, बस वो फॉलो कर लो. वो एक रोबोटिक होना चाहिए ये चीज. आज आप जब नहाने जाते हो स्पेसिफिक टाइम पीरियड में जाते हो रोज, अगर वो टाइम पीरियड निकल जाता है तो आप प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट करते हो कि ठीक है शाम को करेंगे, ये करेंगे, वो करेंगे, और फिर होता नहीं है. काफी बार नहाना भी लोग इसीलिए मिस करते हैं. सो ये चीज सबके साथ होता है. बट वो एक बार रूटीन में आ गया ना कि रोज ये टाइम में मुझे, जैसे हम खाने के लिए एक टाइम स्पेसिफिक टाइम रखते ही हैं कि नहीं, ये तो हम हमेशा बोलते ये तो काफी जल्दी खा रहा हूं मैं, या फिर ये काफी लेट खाना हो रहा है, क्योंकि एक स्पेसिफिक टाइम है खाने का, तो वैसे ही वर्कआउट का भी एक स्पेसिफिक टाइम रखो, एंड एवरीथिंग एल्स विल फॉल इन प्लेस। ऐसे होगा फिर भी कभी कभार कि किसी का बर्थडे आ गया और कोई सरप्राइज देने के लिए घर पे आ गए, मेहमानों को साइड में रख के हम वहां पे वर्कआउट तो नहीं स्टार्ट करने वाले, तो ऐसे दिन भी आएंगे, बट दैट इज फाइन, दैट इज वंस इन अ ब्लू मून। बट 365 डेज है पूरे साल में, अब चलो एक पूरा महीना वर्कआउट नहीं किया, फिर भी 11 महीने का वर्कआउट हो जाएगा आपका, है ना? ओके देन
Sure.
शुभंकर, नाइस टॉकिंग टू यू. If you
Yes,
have
thank you, Aniket.
any more doubts or if you face any problems, feel free to drop me a text.